CRO is a non-governmental organization that helps children working and living on the streets with their communities to achieve basic education. We do quite a number of things. One is a one-on-one counseling. We have family counseling, we have group counseling for children as well. As we do family counseling, we integrate these children with their families. We have empowering children with basic education, that is from primary 1 to primary 7, and then vocational skill training. There are quite a number of factors that make these children come on the streets. We are much more aware that we had war in the upcountry that took a decade, that is almost over 20 years. And this alone made children to be so many on the streets. Secondly, there are so many issues of domestic violence in various homes. Children's rights are being abused, in various forms. These alone make children be on the streets.
Because currently CRO Lira is relying 100% on donor funding, which is challenging, but if there was opportunity for CRO to have its own source of income, that would be good. And the other challenge that CRO is facing is increasing number of children in the streets, despite other children being reintegrated. This is because at times most families are breaking up. There's increased domestic violence, and there is also increasing breaking down of the traditional family support system.